What if gravity just stopped? Not forever, just 1 second. Just long enough to really mess with everything you love. Your coffee, your cat, and probably your car. Turns out, 1 second is all it takes to make Earth a chaotic juggling act with no clown to blame. Let's clarify. We're turning off Earth's gravity, not the sun's, not the moon's, and definitely not that mysterious pull your fridge has on midnight snacks. Also, everything is not weightless forever, just suspended in nope mode for exactly 1 second. No gradual return. Instant on-off switch. You're welcome. The moment gravity turns off, everything not bolted down, or even slightly bolted down, goes airborne. Your morning latte? Now a ceiling hazard. You? Congratulations, you're now the least coordinated astronaut in history, flailing in midair with no idea which way is up. Even the air around you, yeah, that thing you're breathing, is no longer feeling very attached to the planet. It starts expanding outward like a reverse sneeze. Planes? They don't fall. Yet. But their engines, designed for lift in a gravity field, are suddenly overachieving. Passengers experience what physicists call extreme barf. 1 second in, gravity kicks back on. Now everything that went up comes down. Not gently, not sweetly. We're talking full Wile E. Coyote physics. That coffee mug, it's now shrapnel. Your cat lands on its feet, obviously, because it's a cat, but with a side eye that says, you will pay for this. But here's where it gets worse. Anything mid-measure when gravity was off, it keeps that motion. Cars flying over bumps suddenly have no weight keeping them grounded, and now they're crash landing nose first when gravity returns. Elevators? Mid-fall becomes mid-first, becomes oops-all plummet. And orbital mechanics? Satellites stay fine, but Earth's atmosphere, briefly untethered, expands slightly outward, creating pressure ripples and a temporary atmospheric burp. Water systems, pipes and sewage? Yeah, turns out gravity is the only thing preventing humanity from being coated in its own bad decisions. Toilets erupt like volcanoes of poor planning. Skyscrapers designed to lean just a tiny bit under weight? For that second, their structural balance goes out the window, some literally. And let's not forget the oceans. The surface lifts just a bit, then crashes down, triggering tiny tsunamis across coastlines. Congrats, your beach trip just turned into a surprise swim meet. And the International Space Station? Oblivious, because it's already in free fall. Astronauts just sip their tang and watch Earth burp itself. 1 second without gravity wouldn't kill us, but it would be one of the weirdest, wettest, and most lawsuit-worthy seconds in Earth's history, and you'd never trust your coffee again. But hey, gravity's back. The universe has reimagined the floor. So, what would you grab if everything started floating? Drop it in the comments. Just don't drop it.